Hello there. It has been discovered that learners of Igbo language could not strike the difference between the verb bo and de. That is why a learner would make sentences such as abum nwata nwoke, abum afọ asatọ. You see, while abum nwata nwoke is correct, abum afọ asatọ is both grammatically and semantically wrong. It's quite unfortunate that English translation did not capture it, because in English, both abum and adim are translated as I am. How then would a learner know when to use bo and de? The verb bo is a to be verb, and it refers to who or what a person or thing is, or who or what one thinks a person or thing is. Example, abum nwanyị, ịbụ nwoke, ọ bụ nkịta. On the other hand, the verb de is a description of how a person or thing is. A person could be ugly, could be beautiful, good, bad, tall, short, 8 years, and so on. Example, anyị dị mma, Ikenna dị ọcha, adị m afọ asatọ. You see, there is a great difference between the verb bo and de.